1 year ago, I had zero crypto. Today, my portfolio is worth over $10,000. No inheritance, no pump and dump, no magic. Just strategy, patience, and a lot of mistakes. Let me show you exactly how I did it. I didn't start with a big budget. I started with $100 and a goal. Learn before I invest. I spent weeks studying projects, watching charts, and filtering out the hype. No meme coins, no blind bets. My first real move? I bought Chainlink and Ethereum during a dip. Not because someone told me, but because I understood their use cases. I held through volatility, ignored the noise, and kept learning. Every month, I added $100 to $200. I diversified slowly, added Solana, a bit of Bitcoin, and staked some assets for passive income. I tracked everything: gains, losses, fees. I treated it like a business. I did mess up. I chased a few hype coins, lost money on one rug pull, and sold two early ones. But every mistake taught me something. I didn't quit. I adjusted. If you're starting from scratch, don't rush. Learn, plan, and build. And if this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto breakdowns, and drop a comment. What's your first crypto buy?